See what it did? They're not flopping no more. Now you see it's flat now?
Yeah.
You see how it's not coming up no more?
Yeah.
See how it's flatter now?
Mm-hmm.
Feel it. You see what I'm talking about?
It's hot.
Oh,
Oh,
there we go. Yeah.
You got to get a cherry first. Just get it right. No, one spot. Watch. Right here, just like that.
That's good. That's ready.
Let it get hot.
That's good, man.
All right, now hit that. Hit it. Now you're good. They ain't going anywhere now.
Yeah.
You gotta get it hot. You ain't gotta get hot, it won't do it. You gotta shrink it. That's what I mean. That metal gotta get shrunk down.
See what I'm talking about now?
Yeah, it's good. Now if you bang it,
Yeah, man, it stays in.
now it
That's
stays
the
in place.
Okay.
But sometimes, if you heat that, you can hold that.
Oh, yeah.
Not with that
Especially
part,
this
so.
metal.
Especially this metal.
Alright, so Ray's back over here. Been here for a little while today. We're still messing with this quarter panel, obviously. He's gonna keep straightening it out, keep getting it, playing around with it. Alright? Get back to you in a little bit.
We got a new one here.
Alright, so we're...
I already got another here.
He's grinding this thing all up.
Hey, Josh.
You know, like scuffing it up so that the bondo will stick
Let
to
me
it.
get a little cut of this.
Alright, so we're gonna grind that all up. While he's working on this, we're working on the Malibu inside.
No, I used to want to get it. You know
I
what?
won't even mess with it. Go ahead.
Big old bowl got this more.
Yeah, I'm gonna go right there. But I don't want to make it too deep. I want to try to keep it as much as we can.
You see that big bowl?
Yeah.
Or the my eyes playing game with me.
Want that wetter?
It's still the same way as the helmet.
No, it ain't. You gotta come all right. You gotta come to that, like that, right there. You got a gap. That's down here is way gap. You're good. Just knock that. Knock this right here.
I nod my head, you hit it.
I know, you hit it. That's it, Ray. That's it, Ray Manchito. You're good. That's all gotta come up. That's gonna come up anyway. That's gonna come up. This is
Right
what I want.
here it's flat. Right, you see this wall right here.
You're right.
Alright, hang on.
Yo, looks like you got 3 good spots on this car. 1, 2, and 3. That's the only good spots you got in that whole car. Oh my god. Yo, you know how much bondo it had on it? Yo, it was like 1.5 inches thick. It's crazy.
I bet it wasn't even straight.
Huh?
I bet you
Oh no, it wasn't even straight. It was nowhere near straight. It was still wavy. Anyway, alright. We'll start bondo on this side up. Alright, so over here we use bondo glass for all the little low spots and fill in all the holes, all the welded holes.
this machine.
Yeah, go ahead.
This machine like $400.
Yeah,
But they cut the cutting down
yeah,
like in half, bro. You
Yep.
can put this like this, couple swipes,
Yep.
and you're almost done.
hog it right off.
Instead of,
Yeah, yep.
look at that. So I like this. This pad is so flat.
Yep,
It doesn't flat like this. You know, this is straight.
yep, yep,
But that little low spot there.
yep, we'll get it.
You know what I mean? But
Yep.
I mean, they cut the job in half, dude.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And you can see this straight with
Yep, yep, no dings.
no low spot like that.
Yep.
When you put it like that, it'll blend it in.
Yep. All that's gonna be done like that, and I'm gonna go over and look at everything. All right, so basically that's what it's gonna end up like. So that one's basically, I don't want to say it's done, but yeah, as far as that's gonna go, that's it. So now we're working on the next step. After that, the whole thing gets skimmed. It gets skimmed.
Dent. You gotta expand the mud this way to make it straight. If you have a dent and you put only mud on that dent real close, it's gonna look wavy.
Yep.
You gotta expand it.
All right.
You put a lot of mud, you sand it down until you build all your low spots. Then you give it one even swipe and you block it by hand, it should be straight.
Right.
A lot of guys don't like doing mud. What they do is they just fill in the dent. It's called a bullseye. That's why you see the ripple, because you gotta extend the mud out
Yep.
to make it flat and straight even like this.
Yep.
That's the only way you're gonna get it. But there's a lot of lazy guys out there. That's the problem they have.
Yep.
They didn't extend the mud. I hate doing it, but I know that's the only right way to get it done.
Yep. That's why they come out nice and flat. All right, we got the second coat on here. Now he's getting ready to go into a coma. Now I just fed him dinner. He's ready to go into a coma right now.
I'm getting ready to go to work, dude.
Yeah, he's gonna really work. All right, he's gonna work out the. He's gonna lay the mattress out. He's gonna wrestle his mattress right now.